In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner in WooCommerce. Whether you're looking to highlight a special promotion or just want to add a little flair to your shop, adding a banner can make a significant difference. It's not only a great way to grab your visitors' attention, but also an effective strategy to communicate with them directly. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you're going to start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to Pages, located in the left-hand menu. Hover over it and click on All Pages. This section is where you manage all the pages of your site. Now, the key step here is to find the page set as your shop page. To confirm which one it is, you need to go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and click on Products. Under the Products tab, you'll find the Shop Page setting, which should list the page assigned as your main shop page. This is the page we'll be working with today. Once you've identified your shop page, return to the All Pages section and click on Edit next to that specific page. This will open the page in the Gutenberg editor. Gutenberg is a block-based editor in WordPress, which makes it incredibly easy to add and arrange content in a visually appealing way. In the Gutenberg editor, look for the small plus sign, plus, which allows you to add blocks. When you click this, you will see a variety of options for different types of content you can add. To add a banner, you have a couple of choices. You can select a cover block, which is essentially a full-width section that allows you to add an image with overlaid text or buttons, or you might choose an image block if your design requires something simpler. After choosing your preferred block, go ahead and upload your banner image. Just drag and drop your image into the upload area, or click Upload and choose it manually from your computer. Once your image is uploaded, you have the option to add any text or a button on top of it. This is a perfect opportunity to include a catchy phrase or a call to action, ensuring that your banner is not just visually interesting, but also functional in guiding customers through their shopping experience. Take this chance to customize the font, size, and color of your text to match your site's aesthetic and brand guidelines. Adjust the image and text alignment to make sure everything looks perfect. And there you have it, a beautiful, functional banner on your WooCommerce shop page. Adding a banner in WooCommerce doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple steps, your shop will not only look more professional, but will also engage customers effectively. So go ahead and give it a try, and make your shop stand out with strategic visual elements. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips and tricks to optimize your online store.